Hi everyone, I'm Vishwa. Today we're going to discuss about software architecture basics. What is software architecture? It is a fundamental organization of a system and its components, various components. It's like how they're going to interact with each other, how they're going to interact with the environment, and how they're going to flow, how the flow will be between two or other three components. We do have some definitions regarding software architecture. One definition for software architecture is like software architecture of a computing system is a set of structures needed to reason about the system, which comprise software elements, relations among them, and properties of both. It's actually a highest level of breakdown of a system into parts. And the people will usually ask me what's the difference between detailed design and software architecture. We do have some difference between detailed design and software architecture. Software architecture is like a skeleton, which is like a highest level of abstraction. Examples of architecture will be like request or response architecture or like message passing architecture. Whereas in detailed design, it only concentrates on the simple concepts like classes and how the flow between the classes should occur. Those all things will be explaining in detailed design. It's like emphasizes on module or component or class level. People usually ask about the benefits of using a software architecture. Various benefits of using software architecture is like supports planning process, helps manage complexity, provides basis of reuse. It's like a pattern is already used in some architecture, and again the same pattern is gonna use in different project. Then we gonna use the previous pattern, and influences quality. It's like if we can already have a set of protocols or like set of architecture already in the system, then it's like it influences the quality as well. When is architecture important? It's like when usually we don't need to make an architecture when the system can have a trivial solution. So what we'll do is like solution when we'll make an architecture when solution space is small, high failure risk is there, difficult quality attributes, new domains, and product lines where many products will be built on the same architecture. Different architecture styles. We do have some architecture styles like service oriented architecture, message passing, client server, 3-tier, n-tier, domain driven design, and layered architecture. It's like we do have some different designs. It's like architecture indifferent design where architecture is not focused in architecture indifferent design. Whereas in architecture focused design, we'll basically focus on the architecture rather than the goal or rather than the product which we are designing. Whereas architecture hoisting is like a next level in architecture focused design where we'll focus on architecture as well the goal of the system. Thank you.